Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean noise sample so Audacity can learn the unwanted sound. First, record or locate a 0. 5 to 2 second segment that contains only background hiss, hum, or room tone. This becomes the noise profile. Once selected, go to Effect Noise Reduction and click Get Noise Profile so the program analyzes what to remove. Make sure your selection is strictly noise. Any voice or instrument will confuse the filter and reduce fidelity. With the profile captured, select the entire track or region you want cleaned, then reopen Noise Reduction. You'll see 3 controls: Noise Reduction, dB, Sensitivity, and Frequency Smoothing bands. Choose a moderate noise reduction like 10-15 dB to start, raise sensitivity if residual noise remains, and increase frequency smoothing to soften artifacts. Preview repeatedly. Listen for voice quality. Once done, tweak one control at a time to balance noise removal versus natural sound. This preserves clarity while eliminating hiss. After applying noise reduction, listen through the whole clip to confirm natural tone and intelligibility. If audio sounds underwater or hollow, undo and reduce the dB or sensitivity, or recapture a cleaner noise profile. Sometimes 2 light passes work better than 1 heavy pass. For narrow frequency hums, add a notch filter or EQ instead of cranking reduction. Finally, normalize or apply gentle compression to restore perceived loudness. If problems persist, keep an unprocessed backup so you can compare and iterate safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.